Hyderabad. I would like to thank each and every person who contributed to make this Lulu Vijayotsam event grand success. It is my privilege and pleasure to extend a vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Lulu Vijayotsam event, which is happened today now, which brought us together to share our thoughts, hear from the armed forces, learn about weapons, etc. And on behalf of Lulu Hyderabad management and staff, I am proud to be part of this 25th Kargil Vijay Divas victory. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to General K.R. Rao sir, Colonel V.V. Rao sir, Captain Prasad Rao sir for their inspiring presence, for sharing invaluable insights with us. Thank you, sir. Your words have truly enlightened and motivated the youth. Your expertise and thoughtful presentation have significantly enriched our understanding about warfare. I am grateful to Indian Army, Indian Air Force and NCC for their presence. A special thanks to Indian Army for supporting with the artillery and briefing everyone about the arms and equipment display. I thank Bison Brigadier Rajdeep Singh Rain sir, Colonel Bala sir, Lieutenant Colonel Vinod sir and Major Govind sir from the bottom of my heart.
Lastly, may I please request Mr. Vimesh, the General. Last but not the least, may I also request Mr. Riposali to kindly felicitate Colonel Balasasi Kumar, who has initiated and helped us. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Now I would like to request Mr. Ezil Arasan, the mall.
As spread rumors, Agniveer is taking away the jobs. No. Why? Because any nation to survive today, presently, our country is paying phenomenal amount of whatever is coming. 50% of is going for salaries and pensions, and remaining 30% going to debt servicing. The left 20% is there. We are using hardly 2.3% to defense, 1.2% to agriculture, etc., etc. So in future, if you Agniveers were entered into Army, Navy, Air Force, it is both side advantage. The youth can join Army, Navy, Air Force for 4 years. He can come with a pack of around approximately 20 lakhs and he is fully trained physically, mentally. Because these days the nation is not having the concept of physical fitness and mental fitness. You are aware, our youth are attracted towards drugs, not doing any physical fitness or mental toughening. So if everyone, like last 1 year, Army has taken 1 lakh Agniveers, 1 lakh Agniveers into Army, inducted into Army in last 1 year. And Air Force has inducted around 25,000. So these people, 25% of the Agniveers will be retained. The cream of the Agniveers will be retained in the armed forces, and remaining 75% they are fully trained mentally, physically, and and they can come with a degree and come with a pack of around approximately 25 lakhs. You can join any post, you can join IAS, IPS, you can prepare and join, and also a healthy activity can join the society. Society will become very healthy, active, and the trained manpower. So don't misunderstood Agnivir is a bad concept. It is good for the nation and good for the country. So with this, I request all of you to have a positive mind for the armed forces, and I thank Mr. Abdul Qadir for taking this kind of initiative, for conducting the Vijayotsavam celebrations of Operation Vijay. And I thank each one of you. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Jai Hind. So we used to buy winter clothing from China and other countries. Boots were not there. Weapons were not there. So after that Kargil committee was formed, and after Kargil committee in the last 25 years, we have made remarkable success. Not only we have manufactured arms and ammunition, DP jackets, and for the Army, Navy, Air Force, we have imported phenomenal amount of weaponry to other countries. You may wonder, our exports were $2.5 billion. We never used to export any ammunition to other countries, but we are exporting sophisticated weapons of BrahMos missiles to Philippines and other countries, and we are earning $2.5 billion. So after 25 years, in the last 10 years, due to the Atmanirbhar program of our Honorable Prime Minister, we have made many strides, and we have increased our ammunition of all kinds, including weapons, and we are manufacturing fighter aircrafts in India. Not only fighter aircrafts, the space program also been amplified to that extent. My only request to all of you, the future battles are not only fought in the battlefield or LOC. The battle may come to your mobile phone. If you are an expert of cyber security expert, you can paralyze our adversary financial system by entering into their through your cyber tactics. So you need not to fight. If you are an expert in AI and cyber security, you can contribute immensely for the nation. Not only cyber security, if you are a microbiologist, you can create a potent virus, and we succeeded in retrieving him. And to locate him, we sent another MiG-21 aircraft flown by squadron leader Ajay Ahuja from Srinagar base. Unfortunately, one Stinger missile from other side hit our aircraft, and we lost the brave airman squadron leader Ajay Ahuja in that battle. So, ladies and gentlemen, the contribution from Hyderabad to Kargil war, you know, Major Padmaprani Acharya, Mahavir Chak, he was a great soldier, son of the soil from Hyderabad. Another airman who lost his life in Mi-17 aircraft was flight gunner Sergeant Prasad. He was also from Hyderabad. So, the Kargil contribution from this place was also immense, and other soldiers who are also participated. This entire operation, what lessons we learned, that is more important. Kargil war, at that time, we were unable to have decent ammunition. Most of the things we are importing. Even coffins we are not having. To take the dead bodies from that snowbound area, we are not having that kind of coffins. It was a very situation. We have to buy each coffin for approximately 1. General K.R. Rao, Colonel V.V. Rao, Colonel Bala, and Mr. Abdul Qadir, Regional Director, Lulu Mall. Ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, very good evening.
हैबिट हो गया क्या अभी
हाँ
पहले
ये भी मिल गया हाँ
कैसे थोड़ा गर्मी लगता है गर्मी इसको सीलिंग अप सीलिंग से
जय हिंद सर
कहाँ से आए लाइव अरुणाचल प्रदेश पोस्टमेंट बोर्ड से बिहार को तंग बना सकते आपका जन बलारा सॉरी चक्र और अमरजीत सिंह साहब जो रिटायर्ड साहब है जो PCHS का बॉस है उनको अभी अवार्ड नहीं मिला है थैंक यू बच्चे अरे हमको नहीं निकला थैंक यू सर जी बलहारा साहब थे थैंक यू वंस अगेन बिफोर एफर्ट गॉड ब्लेस बढ़िया सर थैंक यू आई एंजॉय यू लाइक इट क्या नाम है आपको व्हाट्स योर नेम थैंक यू
भैया भैया एक मिनट ब्रदर थैंक यू मैं एक मिनट थोड़ा पीछे फाइनल और